one day this will
The picture is so bad. The picture is just so funny. She has a tiny king as her husband.
What? I can't hear you.
She has a tiny king as her husband.
Okay. The second thing.
She uses a flamingo to play cricket.
The third clue.
She That's not. She screams off with her
figured
head.
it out.
The Queen of Hearts.
Oh! Dun, dun, dun. Winners!
She's like.
Eden, it's scary!
I wonder how mad Mama is that
Are you
she's.
even looking at us?
Ah!
Record us!
I am!
Oh, look at it!
Oh, we're not recording. Oh, yeah, we are. We're good.
You're nice, kitty. You're not like Ringo. We friends. I think you're pretty, kitty. We're not friends.
What about what I want, Dewey?
Edith, I can't build you a candy house. The rain will come and melt all the candy.
Not if it never rains.
And are you gonna babysit?
Yes!
Hello and welcome. Today's topic is the Department of Labor fiduciary role and what exactly it means to you and the information you need to become empowered.
I'm not going to drink. What did the sound show up?
Just keep spinning until it hits.
There you go.
You guys are goofy. Alright. Is this
Well,
kids?
What I served you today is a s'mores. There's with chocolate ice cream, even milkshake, and that's what I did with the help of my wonderful mother.
Smells and looks amazing.
Thank you. Is it good?
So far, so good.
Why are you drinking so much?
Because it's amazing! It's so good!
Enjoy it. I can try.
It's magnificent!
It's magnificent.
The best s'more shake ever!
The best s'more shake ever! Enjoy it, sir. Okay.
What is this?
Skylar.
Skylar! What is this?
A milkshake. We have bananas on the bottom, and then we have our banana milkshake with whipped cream and a vanilla wafer.
Ooh.
Sure. Teamwork.
Bananas and Nilla's in love.
I thought it was called like a banana cream pie milkshake.
Nilla Willow with a twist. I don't know.
Oh, Nilla Willow with a twist. Why don't we try it?
I'll try it.
Oh my.
I like it. It's a lot of banana.
Banana pudding, what up?
It's a lot of banana.
It's amazing! Yum!
Not as good as Layton's.
I think it's
This is
really
delicious. It is pretty good though.
It tastes like a banana.
I just sucked up a banana. I was like, so you guys can talk? We always leave until the pan. Which one's which?
We send them to the pantry while we deliberate the results of this clash of titans. What do you think of this milkshake experience?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think that the Oreo taste is pretty good.
Nobody made an Oreo one. I don't think you're funny.
I'm too lost in
You're
the
rocker.
voice. This s'mores is pretty good, if you might ask me.
The s'mores went the extra mile because he made homemade whipped cream with marshmallow flavor. The banana one is amazing, but the cut up bananas on the bottom of the cup kind of ruined it a little.
I will not be the bad guy. You must deliver the news,
Alright.
if you choose.
I'm going
How long should we make them wait in the closet?
to turn off all the lights and go to bed.
Wanna do that?
Good night, guys.
He's alright. I got you. They found us. Oh, darn it.
Alright, turn the lights on.
He went the extra mile because of his whipped cream. On top, we think that you guys perhaps would have won if you didn't cut up chunks of banana in the bottom of it. It makes it a lot.
idea.
It makes it way hard to drink. So the winner is Layton.
Well, I think he's done a really good job, Layton. Come over here, give me a hug.
It is so good. I think the banana pudding friggin' set it off. That was so
I think Helga finally met her match. When Rico Suave comes to town.
It's not Rico Suave, you sound like Lumiere the Candle.
Lumiere is the French love affair.
I'm Rico Suave.
That's
Because
Rico.
the hair suave.
Because it's suave.
By the shake of my Morocco, now, Skylar, you said I only have $1. But with my mag.